Welcome back to today's morning report on Tuesday, the 11th of August, with me, Rich Perrin, market analyst at Tech Markets. Moving on to euro dollar now, and the euro has been in this sort of 4-day rally, really, and I still think this is just a rally back towards this 144-day moving average, which has been the limit of the rebounds, well, for many occasions in the past 2.5 months. And I think this is just another one. You're seeing sort of the RSI unwinding back towards those low 50s, and I think that what we are seeing is that in place now. I haven't talked about the pivot level, this whole historic pivot level of 1050 for a while. It is now back at 1050, and interestingly enough, today it has just hit 1050 and fallen away. But whether it actually works out that accurately or not remains to be seen. However, I still think this is a move that is just an unwinding technical rally. We have had a lot of flying around today. Dollar initially strengthening on the back of that Chinese news. Then we had the Eurozone, Greece announcing that it sort of coming to an agreement with its creditors. So that sort of helped the euro. But it's starting to settle down a bit, and I'll be very interested to see what happens around this resistance. That 144-day moving average comes in at 1065 today. So I think that this rally is beginning to, I think it will begin to run out of steam, and certainly unless it breaks through 1130, which is that reaction high from the 27th of July, then I don't think it's going to be changing the outlook in the medium term. I think this is just a near-term rebound that ultimately will be sold into. The sort of momentum indicators remain sort of just slightly improving on the near-term basis, but not of any sort of real degree. But certainly, I think that is the case. Now, what we do have, as I said, is this near-term improving outlook. So we've got a couple of higher lows in place. You zoom in here, you can see you've got 109.60 area and 109.25 area being the two reaction lows from the last couple of days. So there are two supports that you need to look out for. But certainly, I think that with this now back into the sort of resistance band that I've been talking about between sort of 110 and 111, I think that this is now around the realms at which it's going to start to find a bit of a ceiling, and you're going to start to see the selling pressure come through. So it'll be very interesting to see where this one starts to where it goes today, because I think it'll run out of steam, but we'll see, and it could be one to watch, because obviously we've got the reaction following on from this apparently Greek deal. So we'll see how this one pans out. But I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.